The shunted brush is a carbon motor brush with a shunt wire attached. There are two shunted brushes attached to your lawnmower's motor. The brush is conducting electricity to the motor's armature through the commutator. Because the soft carbon brushes are in constant contact with the rotating commutator, they will wear down and periodically will need to be replaced. When a brush wears out, it will lose contact with the commutator or make intermittent contact. This will prevent the motor from turning on or to turn on only sporadically. A worn brush will often cause excessive sparks where it contacts the commutator. This can also be a symptom of a bad armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect the armature if you see lots of sparks. Replacing the shunted motor brush is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the motor cover from the lawnmower. Now I'll remove the brush holder covers from both sides of the motor. With the cover removed, now I can go ahead and remove the brush holders. The brush shunt is crimped to this wire lead. The problem is the crimp is part of the wire lead assembly. So if you want to replace this the same way with a crimp, you'll also need to replace the lead. Another option you have, and what I'm going to do, is just simply cut the wire lead away from the brush and I'll just strip this back and solder the new brush on. To start, I'll strip back about 1/4 of an inch of insulation from the wire leads. Now I'll twist the shunt wire from the brush with the wire lead together. I'll apply a little bit of soldering flux to the connection. And now I can solder the two wires together. And now I can solder the second brush in place. With the brushes soldered in place, now I can install them back into the brush holders. And I'll slide the brush holder back into the motor. Now I'll tuck the wires down into the holders on the motor and replace the brush holder covers. And I'll finish up by replacing the top cover. And that's all it takes to install new brushes in your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.